Hey everybody! So we are back today at Cheyenne Mountain Zoo. If you look through my channel, you will see that I have an older video of me showing you a tour of the zoo back in the summertime, but I wanted to bring you back and show you something extra special, which is Cheyenne Mountain Zoo's Safari of Lights. So it's a holiday special they have every year, and you can come after hours and walk through a beautiful lit up zoo around the enclosures and have some hot chocolate. They have fireplaces all around to warm up. It's a beautiful experience, but don't just take my word for it. We're going to go check it out, so come on with. All right, so there you have it. That was Cheyenne Mountain Zoo's electric safari, a magical walkway through the entire zoo, lit up with lights and seeing animals at times you might not normally see them. I hope you enjoyed Bean as much as I did. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go warm up with some hot chocolate.